Hello guys, this is Keanu Freitas with the GuesSING app. I have great news. This is the beta release and it is ready for user testing. So let's go ahead and log in. Alright, so as you can see in the beginning it does have error handling where if you are not connecting to Wi-Fi or connected to Wi-Fi, it'll ask you to connect to Wi-Fi so that all of this data can be pulled. It does have a loading indicator to let you know, just hold on a little bit longer and this stuff will be loaded. Okay, so we do have different gameplays, and that is group and judge. These do work. So if you play with the group, then go ahead and select group. If you're going to play as the judge and then you separate into two groups, you do the judge. So those are the features that I had to finish since the alpha, and that is completed. If you go into create text, looks like there isn't any, so let's go ahead and create some. Testing 1, and let's do testing 2, and just to have some fun, let's do testing 3. Okay, and then in testing 1 we're going to create a few hello, bye, like me, follow you. Okay, so let's go back out. Alright, and then let's go ahead and play testing 1. And now it's actually going through the phrases that we added. And then you can play the game. And then after gameplay, it takes you back to the main screen. So as you can see, all of the gameplay works. Create works, purchase. You can actually go in and purchase the package for 99 cents, and then it'll add it into your queue. So once you get to the feed, it actually has the feed. From the alpha stage, it didn't have all of the information as far as like profile image, stuff like that, but now you can totally see it in the feed. Let's go ahead and post something. Playing the GuesSING app makes me feel like. Okay, and let's share it. Okay, and now it's posted. As you can see, we have my profile picture here at the bottom, and then we have the image and such. We go back to game, let's go to settings, my profile, there you go. So it loads the username and it also loads the profile image, and I can change that if I want to. Credits, terms and conditions are all the same. The major differences between the alpha and the beta is the feed, so actually getting all the information, making it look clean, being able to post correctly, and then the gameplay, so like being able to actually play the decks through create, and then actually being able to switch between group and judge. So let's go ahead and play one of these. Let's play judge. Okay, expert. Let's do it with the camera on too, so that we can have an example of what it looks like with the camera. Now you should be able to play the game, and at the same time you have a video camera so that you can film what you're playing. And then you have the two different colors as far as, if it is team red, then we have these guys here. If it's team blue, we have 6. So this is like separating whether you're team 1 or team 2. I wanted to go by the color scheme. You can actually go and view that, and then you can also save the video. So now that your video is successfully saved, we can go into the feed, go to post, and see that our video is here. You can choose it, it compresses the video, and once the video is loaded in, we can write something, okay, and share it. And now we have all 3 posts in here. In the actual gameplay itself, during the judge, I wanted to put, maybe like a blue color towards the left and then a red color towards the right, so that when you're flicking it to each side, you know which group you're going to. You're throwing it either to the blue or to the red. So that's something that I want to add into the actual user testing. So that's what I got for the beta release. I got a lot done. The error handling is nice when you're actually logging in and stuff like that. I don't know if you noticed, but if you do click into a text field, then the entire text field will scroll up so that you can actually see where you're typing. And when you get outside of it, then it'll scroll back down. So for the beta release, I got all the things finished that I wanted to from the alpha stage. And now it can definitely be tested by users. There are a few things that I would like to point out to them before they start testing. So just letting them know what features we know for a fact have errors, so that when they go into the application, they know what to look for, or the red problems that we already know of. But the main features that I would like to test in user testing would probably be the feed, where multiple people log in and they create their own logins, and then they all can post to the feed. I want to make sure that all of that works. I want them to play the game, go through how does it feel to actually be playing the game, use the camera and post the videos that they have created, so that we can make sure that the app works correctly in the way that it should. I did want to point out to the users also that the purchase buttons do work as far as asking if you want to purchase, but I do not have that account set up yet to where you can actually buy the decks. So I will mostly have to focus this week on the comments, because if you click on comments, then it takes you to a comment page, but it doesn't actually show you the picture and then people's comments. So that's something that I need to work on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough, and now it's time for user testing. I hope that when you guys test it, you will enjoy the application as much as I do. All right, thank you.